Hey, welcome to the final lesson. This is where everything comes together. We are building a complete application from scratch. A contact book that runs in the terminal. This project uses classes, file I/O, JSON, error handling, and list comprehensions. Everything we have learned in this course. Let's look at the code on screen. At the top, we import JSON and OS. We define a constant called contacts_file that points to contacts.json. That is where our data will be saved. Now look at the contact book class. In the init method, we create an empty list of contacts and call self.load. The load method checks if the JSON file exists using os.path.exists. If it does, we open it and load the contacts using json.load. But notice the try except block around it. If the file is corrupted and cannot be parsed, we catch the JSON decode error and start with an empty list. That is error handling in action. The save method writes the current contacts to the JSON file using json.dump. We call save after every change so nothing gets lost. Now look at the add method. It creates a dictionary with name, phone, and email, appends it to the list, and saves. The list_all method prints a nicely formatted table. If there are no contacts, it tells you. The search method uses a list comprehension to find contacts by name. See that? One line to filter the entire list. And the delete method also uses a list comprehension to rebuild the list without the deleted contact. Scroll down to the main function. This is the menu loop. It shows 5 options and waits for the user to pick one. Based on the choice, it calls the appropriate method. The while true loop keeps the menu running until the user picks quit. This is a real, working application. You can run it, add contacts, search, delete, and everything gets saved to a JSON file. You could extend this. Add phone number validation. Add an edit feature. Sort contacts by name. The foundation is solid. Congratulations! You have completed Python Intermediate in 50 minutes. You now know file I/O, error handling, modules, classes, inheritance, list comprehensions, JSON, APIs, and virtual environments. That is a serious skill set. Keep building. Keep coding. The best way to learn is to make things. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next course.